Hi, thanks for joining us here today at Hunt Club Nissan. Let's take a look at our 2016 Honda Pilot. This vehicle features great options like seating for 7, beautiful sunroof, heated front seats, Bluetooth cruise control, an AM/FM USB audio system with a rear camera, intelligent keyless entry, and so much more. Starting with the front right here, you can see a beautiful projector headlight surrounded by that awesome looking LED daytime running light. Then you have your marker lights and your fog lights down below. Coming around to the side right here, you've got a nice set of alloy wheels. And those are a really new set of Bridgestone tires sitting on those 18-inch alloy wheels. You got disc brakes all the way around. And then right here, you'll notice that you have a blind spot camera built into your rear view mirror with that nice body colored accent mirror cap and that integrated turn signal. Intelligent keyless entry buttons right there on that door handle, and you can see rear passengers have privacy tint there for added comfort and privacy. Moving into the rear of the vehicle right here, underneath the Honda logo, you can see your rear camera button. So then I open up this nice, easy to use lid. You can see lots of space here, and putting down these seats is as simple as pulling one whole strap. Super easy to use. Closing up that rear hatch here and coming around to the driver's side of the vehicle, you can see a great nice side profile to it and beautiful styling. Let's move a little closer now into the interior right here. On the driver's door, you can see automatic windows up front, windows in the bottom right here, and you can see all the nice lockout buttons. Nice 8-way adjustable power driver's seat helps you out right here, and you can see that nice cloth styling with armrests built into both the captain's chairs for both driver and passenger. Right over here to the side of the vehicle, on the left side of the steering wheel, you got your mirror adjuster, your eco mode, and then down below you have a lane departure warning button, and then you have your forward collision prevention button as well too to turn on and off your forward collision prevention systems. Rear space right here, you can see rear passengers benefit from much of the same design accents. They got a lot of cup holders right there, and then you can see getting into the rear seats are nice and easy because this slides forward and out of the way. Then you can see right here, it's real easy to put up. All right, second hand here, nice and easy to put up that rear seat, and you can see seating for 3 in the back. So technically this is an 8-passenger vehicle. Just to show you as well too, rear passengers have their own air louvers and air conditioning controls here. Now as we move up, show off that nice looking rear view mirror. Just behind that, you've got your interior lighting controls, your sunroof controls, a spot for shades. Then that's gonna be what your beautiful sunroof looks like. Sitting behind the steering wheel here now, you can see it's going to be a nice, easy, comfortable steering wheel with nice big D notches there for your hands. This is going to be where all your information and audio system controls are. And over on this side right here, all your cruise control functions and your intelligent cruise control button to show the distance. So you can actually set your cruise, and then your car will automatically judge the distance between you and the car in front of you, so you don't have to keep turning on and off your cruise. Down below that, all your information system controls and your drive mode selector. So you can see right here, we go through those different settings for your oil life, tire pressure, and you can even have turn-by-turn navigation directions, or a compass sitting up front here, as you can see right there. Pushing this window right here is going to cycle between your audio system and your controls for your Bluetooth. And then as I hit the source button right here, you can see FM, AM, CD, USB, iPod, Bluetooth streaming audio, auxiliary, and you can even have audio apps set up on this thing here too, so lots of options there. Shifting the vehicle into reverse brings up that beautiful rear camera like I showed you. But another great thing here too is the blind spot camera. So if you're turning right, this blind spot camera will turn on. Make sure you don't hit cyclists that may be coming up beside you or pedestrians or anything like that. So great safety feature here from Honda in this Pilot. Below that, you've got your dual zone climate control functions right there, so the driver and passenger can set their own settings and then both be comfortable. And just underneath that, you've got your CD player slot, and then of course your heated seat buttons, and then down below you've got 2 USB ports, and one's a 2.5 amp, which I think is actually pretty cool. Most 1.5 amp USB ports they're basically the same as like the first generation iPhone charger. 2.5 amps going to provide even more power, so it's going to make iPads and things like that charge a little quicker than other things there. So we come back just for a second here too, you can see lots of storage, and then another auxiliary jack and USB port and power outlet down in that area as well too. That's gonna be what your shifter looks like, and then you even have your drive select mode for your intelligent traction management system right here, as you can see. And that's been a quick tour of our Honda Pilot, available here today at Hunt Club Nissan. The showroom's open 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 on Saturdays, and we're always available online at huntclubnissan.com. My name's Jason. Thanks for joining me here today, and we hope to see you in the showroom soon.